What did he do?
He made the whole wide world.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
And he made a living drink.
Then he took the heart from an angel and he gave it to you. And everything he gave to the goddess to love, you got that too.
He made the whole wide world.
Yes,